In 1 month, you can earn $4,800. Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to Mafia Trader. This video, it will be my favorite video because I will teach you how to success trading binary option with my method. So this is what I do when I was a beginner. But before we are going to the video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video because I'm sure this video will be useful for you to make a lot of money. Okay, let's go. Point 1. You must have a large capital. At least you have a balance of $400. So here I will withdraw my balance to $400. Okay, here my balance is $400. Now we go to the second point. The point 2 is that you have to have a good strategy and you master it. At least have 45% accuracy. So to use my method, you don't need to have 99% accuracy or 100 accuracy. Just 45% accuracy, that's enough. The example here, I will use my 7-level strategy because I am very proficient in this strategy and sometimes this strategy has an accuracy of up to 90%, but if the market is bad, it can only be 45%. That's enough. Okay, this is the strategy. I use indicator MACD, the period of 7, and indicator MACD. Let's move to the next point. The point 3 is that you can only trade 0.25% of the total balance you have. The smaller the better. 0.25% is the maximum amount you can trade. And here, change the time to flag and change the second to 0. Turn on auto time offset and choose 1 minute. Let's add the market. Only choose the market with payout more than 80%. The next point is to execute patiently and truly. Use your strategy as best you can and look for a moment that have good opportunity. Never experiment when you are trading using a real account. Okay, here I will try to looking for a good moment. I think this is a good moment. I will call option. Let's analyze this situation. With my 7-level strategy, we see if the candle is above the red line, this is an uptrend. So we can make call option when the candle close or touch the red line. And let's see the result. Five seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Absolutely profit for our first trade. This is good. Let's looking for another moment. Don't be too hasty when looking for a good moment. Look for a good moment patiently so you don't get eaten by fake signals. Okay, here we can call option. Before open trade, you need to make sure the second is not less than 30 seconds. Here, you can only open trading if the time has not been 30 seconds. Okay, we can see this is an uptrend and when the candle closes or touch the red candle, that's best position to call option. Let's see the result. Five seconds left. If this trade lose, let's do a martingale. And I will call option again in this candle. Why? This is because the close price here is still above the red line. So I think the market here is still an uptrend. But there is a chance to lose here because the MACD is pointing downwards. Let's see the result. Okay, the result here is profitable. After you profit, don't forget to change the amount to the previous one, 0.25% of your balance. In the previous trade, we lost $1 and here we profit $2.17. So we still profit $1.17. Even the previous one is loose, our result is still profitable if you use Martingale. Okay, let's see this market. If the moving average is pointing downwards like this, don't ever trade again in this market. Just find another market with a good trend. Okay, this is a downtrend. I think we can put option in the next candle. This is a good moment to open trade, but the second is less than 30 seconds, so we can't open trade in this candle. If you find the situation like this, just open trade in the next candle like this. Why I made put option? This is because the candle is below the red line, so this is a downtrend. We can make put option when the candle closest to the red line or touch the red line because the price will going down. If you lose in this trade, just do a martingale. The martingale is doubling the amount to 25 times to the previous amount, so the losing trade will be covered and we will still be profitable even though the previous trade was a loss. Let's see the result. Okay, this is very risky. Let's see, and our result is profit. Okay, let's find a good moment to open trade. We see this market. The moving average is flat and the MACD is flat. So this is a bear market. This is a sideways. Don't ever trade in this market. Let's find. Here we can make put option. We can see we trade in 31 seconds. And this is a downtrend. We can make put option when the candle close to the red line or approaching the red line like this. In this trade, I only trade for 30 seconds. Let's see. This trade is risky again. And the result is profit. I forgot to change the amount to previous amount. So don't forget to change the amount after you profit with martingale. Let's see this market again. If you see 3 green candles attached together in a downtrend market situation, this is a bad moment for put option. Even though we see the candle approaching the red line, there will be high probability of losing in this situation. So just find another market like this. This is a perfect trend we can see. Just wait for the next candle if the candle is approaching the red line. Like this also you should avoid. Let's see the market here. Yes, I think we can put option in this market. The reason why I made put option in this situation, this is because all of this candle is below the red line, so this is a downtrend. We can make put option when the candle close or touching the red line because the price will going down. If you're in loss position like this, don't forget to prepare the amount for martingale. Martingale is 2.5 times of previous amount. Okay guys, there's a chance to lose in this trade because the overall trend is an uptrend and we made put option in this small trend. So for a good accuracy, you also have to pay attention to the overall trend. Okay, 5 seconds left. This trade we are losing. I will call option in this candle when the candle approaching the red line. Okay, here. The reason I made call option in this downtrend, this is because we can see this is small downtrend, but the close price in green candle here is above the red line. So this is a reverse trend or a reverse candle. That's why I made call option in this situation. And let's see the result. Five seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Absolutely profit. After you profit with Martingale, don't forget to change the amount to the previous one. And let's find another market. We can call option here. We can see this candle is above the red line, so this is an uptrend. We can make call option when the candle closes or touch the red line like this, because there's a chance the price will going up. Let's see our last trade. Okay, we have a lost position here. We can see this is because overall trend is a downtrend and we made call option. But yep, we still can get a profit. Why I made a profit even the candle is a downtrend or a red candle? This is because our position is good. That's why you should open trade when the candle touches the red line or approaching the red line like before. So a new key with my 7-level strategy, don't forget to see the overall trend. And the last point is stop trading when you have open trade more than 10 times. Whatever the result, you have to stop. This will keep your psychology stable and your analysis will be correct. In here I made $8 which is 2% of my balance. Is $8 is small? Yes, of course. Is 2% is small? Of course not. Imagine if you have $4,000, 2% is $80. And you can earn $80 even with just 15 minutes of trading. And if you trade for 3 seasons in one day, example in the morning, afternoon, night, whenever you want, you can earn $240 in one day. In 1 week, if you trade 5 days, Monday until Friday, you can earn $1,200. In 1 month, you can earn $4,800. Is that a big deal? Of course, yes. In one day, you have 24 hours and you only use 1 hour for trading. For other 23 hours, you can use to improve skills or maybe do your real job. So 2% is a big amount, okay? That's all for this video. Actually, there are other things that will make you profitable if you use this strategy, but I only share for the VIP club member. If you want to join, you can check on the description box below. If you have any question, you can comment in this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you.